The strain relief secures the cord firmly in the tool's housing. It prevents the cord wires from being torn away from the switch. The strain relief can be damaged if the screws that secure it are over-tightened. It can be broken if the tool is suddenly pulled by the cord. Replacing the strain relief is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the rear handle. With the cover removed, now I have access to the strain relief. It's secured with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new strain relief and secure it with the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the strain relief in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.